Very warm good morning, students. Exercise 7.5. That first question is, write these fraction appropriate as add or subtraction. So in first box you are looking at 1, 2, 3 boxes are said and then is equal to 1, 2, 3. So that will be A part, that will become plus, right? In B part, you are looking first box, 5 boxes are said, and in the next box there is 3 boxes. Sorry, 6 are 3. So 6 plus 3, 3. So is equal to, that is given 3. So that will become minus sign. C. Before the is equal to, you are looking 5 boxes are added. After the is equal to, also 5 boxes are added. So that will become plus, right? And then second question, most important for your next classes. If you are not able to do these type of question, it means you are unable to solve the maths problem. So second, that solve A part, 1 upon 18 plus 1 upon 18. So you are looking, both denominator are same. So you will be right like this, 1 plus 1 upon 18. Okay, if that both denominator are same, then we can add directly numerator. So that will be 2 upon 18, or you can cancel also. B part, 8 upon 15 plus 3 upon 15 is equal to same denominator. So 8 plus 3, that will be 15. 8 3, 11 upon 15. This is the smallest term. C. 7 upon 5, sorry, 7 upon 7 minus 5 upon 7. So that will be 7 is same. So 7 minus 5, that will be 7 is equal to 7 less 5, 2 upon 7. D part, 1 upon 22 plus 21 upon 22. So again is same. So 22, that will be 1 plus 21 is equal to 22 upon 22. Or you can write like this, or you can write 1, because 22 cancel by 22. And then E part, 12 upon 15 minus 7 upon 15. Similarly, that 12 minus 7 upon 15. So 12 less 7, 5 upon 15. Or you can reduce also, that will be 1 upon 3 can become. F part, 3 upon 8, 5 upon 8 plus 3 upon 8. Similarly, 8 is same. So 5 plus 3, that will be 8 upon 8. So that will be also 1 by the cancel. G part, 1 minus 2 upon 3. So that one also we can write this at denominator 3. So 3 upon 3 also like this we can write. 3 cancel by 3, that will become 1. So 3 minus 2 upon 3, that will be 1 upon 3. G. H part, 1 upon 4 plus 0 upon 4. So that means 4, 1 plus 0, that is 1 upon 4. H. I part, that will be 3 minus 12 upon 5. See that? I part here, 3 minus 12 upon 5. So that will be 3 into 5 upon 5 minus 12 upon 5. So that 15 upon 5 minus 12 upon 5. That 5 is now same. So 15 minus 12, that is 3 upon 5. Next question, third, that is Shubham painted 2 upon 3. So we will write here Shubham painted. Shubham painted is equal to 2 upon 3. And Madhavi painted. Madhavi painted is equal to 1 upon 3. So how much did they painted together? So together painted is equal to sum of both. That will be denominator same. So 2 plus 1 3. 3 upon 3 or cancel by 1, that will be 1. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the missing. Fourth question. A part. 7 upon 10 subtract, that is box, is equal to 3 upon 10. So that will be subtract. So what will come here? 7 less 3, that is minus. So 7 less 3, 4 upon 10. 7 less 4, 3, that is B part. Box minus 3 upon 21 is equal to 5 upon 21. So 5 3 8 upon 21, because 8 less 3 5. C part. Box minus 3 upon 6 is equal to 3 upon 6. So that will be 3 6 upon 6. 6 less 3 3. C part. D part, that box plus 5.27, 5 upon 27 is equal to 12 upon 27. So 12 less 5 7, that 27, or you can say 7 5 12. Question number 5. Solution. Javed was given. So Javed given is equal to 5.7. And then what fraction of orange left in bucket? So left is equal to 1 minus 5.7. That will be 7 upon 7 minus 5.7 for making the equal denominator. So that will be 5 minus 5 upon 7. Oh sorry, 7 minus 5. So that is 2 upon 7. Okay.